Continue practice about the advanced level for simultaneous equation between quadratic and linear equation. We got this question and we can see that this question is very complicated because for the second equation you got three terms for x squared, hy and y squared. And from here I need to subtract the linear equation from the first equation here. And for x here and y here, we can see that y stand alone. So I will to subtract for y, you got 4 minus 3x here. And substitution for minus 3x inside the position of y for this one, we will have the new equation in terms of x. The first thing multiply with y, we got here is 4 minus 3x. And here you got 4 minus 3y now and square. Minus 16 you been got with this. And the next one x squared plus 12x minus 9x squared. The next one, expand this bracket, we have perfect square. 4 squares means 16 and 24x here plus 9x squared. And plus 16 here equal to 0. And for this one, we got, we can see that we have two terms of x squared. The first term is minus x squared, the second one is 9x squared. So they can cancel together. After add them together, we have 0. And we have still one more for x squared in this position. And 12x squared minus 24 you got here is 12x minus 12x. And plus 32 here equal to 0. And for h here and for h for this one. Okay. And after I using my calculator, I have the first value for h will be 8 and the second one will be 4. And y will be 4 minus 3 times 8 equal to minus 20. And for y here you got 4 minus 3.4, 3 times 4 equal to minus 8. 2 points for this one will be 8 here minus 20 here. And you got this one is 4 and here is minus 8. Here is minus 8. Okay. Question 4 we finished. Question 5, the same idea for this one. We have the first equation, we can take subject for x. In this case, I will choose x because x stand alone. So without any coefficient except 1. And from x here, you will got 10 minus 4y. 10 minus 4y, and I will substitute for the second example or second equation, sorry. And using the bracket, you got the first bracket will be 10 minus 4y multiply y. And the next one, you got 10 minus 4y. After that, you got minus 8 here. And for this one, 10y minus 4y squared plus 10 minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. And for this one, minus 4y squared plus 6y plus 18 equal to 0. For this question, you got 3 coefficients. For A will be minus 4, for B will be 6, and for C will be 18. Okay. Now combine all of them, we have the solution for y here will be, I will use my calculator. The first thing will be minus 4, 6 and 18. And then we have two solutions. First is 3 and the second one is minus 3 over 2. So here for y, I need to calculate for x. 10 here minus 3. Minus 4 times 3 equal to minus 2. And for this one here is x minus 4 times negative 3 over 2 now. Okay. And for here we got 16. You have 16. 2 points for this, you got minus 2 and 3. And here is 16 negative 3 over 2. That is solution for question 5. And the last example about this kind of question in this video we have this one. But for this question, we got the linear equation will be the second one, and the first equation is very complicated. It is quadratic because you got a square here. And for this one is a little bit easier because for the second one we got here y stand alone, so I will substitute for y 1 minus 2h here, and h minus 1 h minus 1 minus 2h here plus 5h squared equal to 1. h 1 plus 2h plus 5h squared minus 1 equal to 0. And here 5h squared plus 3h minus 2 equal to 0. And using substitution, we got here is the first quadratic formula or calculator. Minus 1 will be the first solution, and the second one will be 2 over 5. And h equal to minus 1, this means y will be 1 minus 2 times minus 1 equal to 3. The next one will be 1 minus 2 times 2 over 5 equal to 1 over 8. Equal to 1 over 5.